and that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5 left over 80, into 4 right, don't cut. And 4 left, continues and tightens over 80. And 60, 3 right, opens. And 2 right, lost. That's 2 right, lost, and 3 left.
3 right plus.
2 left. 40, small bump, 6 left. And 60, caution, 6 right, into 2 left, tightens. 60 on middle, 5 right. And 40, caution, 2 right into 2 left past junction. And 2 left past junction.
Yep.
And 80 up middle.
Yep.
5 right continues for 100. Past lane 100 and 6 left slowing. 60 into caution 3 right. That's 3 right. And 2 right tightens over junction long.
Yep.
And then opens and goes into 5 right. 200. Over small crest into 4 left.
Come on.
That's middle over crest, 4 left.
Yep.
And middle through junction. Through junction 40, 6 left. Continues and tightens over 170 into 5 right. That's 5 right, 130. Caution, 6 right and 40, 4 right through quarry over bump.
Yep.
Into 4 left and 5 right through rocks.
Yep.
And bump and junction, 2 left.
Yep.
80, 5 right. That's 5 right.
Yep.
And 40, 6 right. And then 200 up middle. I thought this was mainly downhill.
It is after this.
Yeah, 5 left, logs.
Yep.
Into 5 right. And 40, 5 left.
Yep.
Into 5 right. And 40. Right of middle of crest into 6 left. 60. Turn 2 left. That's turn 2 left.
Yep.
Logs to the end of the stage now. And 2 right, tightens, continues for 60. 40, 6 left. 80. 4 left, opens and tightens over 100 and goes into 3 left. That's 4 left,
Yep.
opens, tightens, 3 left. 130, 4 left. 100 down middle through junction and 40. 5 left.
Shit.
That's 5 left, continues over 100 and 6 right into 6 left. 5 left, 6 right, 5 left, and crest continue 100 slowing into Culver caution crest, 3 right logs inside.
Okay, this.
No, yeah, 3 right logs inside. Whoa,
Yeah,
oh my
this
gosh,
one.
yes. And 2 left, and 250 up middle. Logs continue. At the end of it, 6 left over small crest into caution, 4 right, half long, rocks,
Yep.
and tightens into 2 right at logs, and opens over 130 and 6 left.
Yep. 6 left.
100 continues and tightens into 2 left through dip. Opens and don't cut 4 left, half long, 200, caution, 4 right, tightens into 2 right.
Yep.
That's 4 right, 2 right, logs inside and continues for 60 and 5 right, rocks inside, 60, 4 right, half long and 1 left.
Hang on.
That's 4 right
Yep.
and 1 left. There it is. Into 4 left. 60, small crest, 6 left. 100 down. At the end of 100, 1 right, logs inside, long.
Yeah. 1 right.
1 right. And 4 left. tightens into 2 left. That's 4 left, 2 left, 100 down. And 4 right, 40, 3 right. And 60 left, 100 down, 6 left. 350 down at the end of it. Double caution, 2 right, logs inside. Watch your braking on that one. That's 2 right, logs inside. 60. 5 right, long, logs inside. And 1 left, that's 1 left just round the corner. And 5 right, half long.
Oh, David.
40. 4 left, over rocks, through junction.
Yep.
And 60. 6 right, half long. 150, logs. And 5 right. Tightens into 3 right, logs inside, loose.
That was
Whoa, okay, good man. 80.
That's the same corner that got me as last time.
Loose.
Oh,
3
yeah.
3 right, 2 finish. Keep going, keep going. 2 left, 3 right. That was well held, mate. Okay. I thought we'd gone then. I thought we'd gone.
Oh, fucking hell. The only way I got it is because I was back in the throttle when I got the lock on.
Yeah.
It's like bang throttle right.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh well, there's a heart attack anyway. And
It was the same corner that nearly got me last time.
It's all the loose, isn't it?
No, it was. That's not that. That was called as like a 4 or a 5.
I've gone right up to him, right.
Oh my god.
There we go. Be careful of the time, guys. They're falling apart.